I want to walk you through the uppercase letters now. So these uppercase letters are not based on the basic strokes, and they're definitely stylized. They're close to an all caps, which is nice and easy, especially for a large brush pen. So this is definitely a beginner-friendly alphabet style for a large brush pen. So let's start with the letter A, and we'll just go through each of these. It's basically like a large overturn, where we're starting here at the baseline. We come up with light pressure, come back down, and then we're going to use a crossbar to cross. B is going to have a long downstroke, and we got 2 reverse O forms here. C, the capital C, is much like the lowercase c, where we're starting at the 2 o'clock position, we work our way around into an O form, and instead of connecting it, we just end at the waistline. D is going to be a long downstroke with a reverse O form. I said these are not made up of the basic strokes, and generally they aren't, but there are still a few basic strokes in them. E, this is more like an all caps E, where we've got a long downstroke, and then we've just got 3 lines coming horizontally. Next we have F, very similar to the E, long downstroke and the lines coming horizontally. G is going to be like the C, where we've got our O form, horizontal line. Next is H, got a downstroke, downstroke, crossbar. I is just going to be one long downstroke. J is going to be a downstroke, kind of like an underturn, but we're going this direction. K is going to be a long downstroke, a stroke down into an underturn. And L, we have a long downstroke and that horizontal line. Next we have M. We have a thin line up, and remember we're coming down thick, up thin, down thick. And we've got a nice downstroke, an overturn. The O is just an O form. That makes it easy, just a little larger. P, we've got a long downstroke, reverse O form, and the P is going to come a little bit lower than the waistline. Next we have Q, which is going to be an O form. And we'll add the tail. R is a long downstroke, reverse O form, underturn. S is like an all caps S. The whole center part is where our thickness is. T is going to be a long downstroke, horizontal line to cross. We've got U, which is an underturn and an underturn. V, downstroke, thin line. W, very similar to the V. X, got our downstroke and our upstroke. And then we just got the last 2 letters. Y, which is an underturn, and Z. So obviously you could get more stylized with these. This is kind of a combination of a lettered and an all capped, but it is really easy to do with a large brush pen. So it's definitely great if you're just getting started with large brush pens.